Hello friends, it's Funky Play Brothers, and please remember to help us by subscribing to our YouTube. And today I'm unboxing and reviewing McFarlane Toys Marvel statues inspired by The Amazing Spider-Man issue 362, Carnage and Venom versus Spider-Man. This is the Bagley cover. I think he was the guy after McFarlane who took over Spider-Man. This is a really cool Carnage statue. Here's the background. It has some Carnage stuff on the bottom there. Some Carnage symbiote. And then his card. McFarlane needs to make bigger bags for these cards. Card. Card says Carnage, inspired by The Amazing Spider-Man issue 362, original release date May 1992. Synopsis: needing all the help he can get to take out Carnage, Spider-Man recruits good friend Johnny Storm, aka Human Torch. But will Venom be a willing ally too? Spidey and the Human Torch go the deserted island where Venom lies in wait. Will Eddie Brock be the key to eliminating Carnage? Oh, that was a strange wording. You can see every muscle on Carnage, which is pretty cool. That's weird. So, this stand is strange and cool. Alright. Here he is. This is like this stand right here is the first part of the stand. And then you take this part off, and this is just normal Carnage with his name there. And then it's just the metal parts connected to the leg and connecting it over to the symbiote. And then it's weird. I'm not sure if you could take this one out because of how it's built. You can usually take out the stands, but I'm not going to try because I don't want to break any of the symbiote parts. And then it looks strange with the circle part, so that's probably why like that. I feel like he's going to fall over without the circle stand though. The circle stand probably gives him like all of his support because of the way he's bent. You can't really you can probably get a good look at his face. He probably needs to be displayed like a little bit higher so it looks like he's jumping. You can see his face a little bit better. But other than that, there's a really cool looking Carnage statue. Especially like all the detail where you can see every muscle, like he's just muscle. Like he's just muscle, human muscle out of its no skin. I think that's a really cool design with all the symbiote flying off of him. I rate him a 10 to 10, 2 thumbs ups. So friends, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Follow us on social media at the Funky Play Bros or Funky Play Brothers. Support our vlog at cashapp at the $Funky Play Brothers. Thank you for watching. Bye.